Dear children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 37 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से और चैप्टर है ये हमारा 4th सेंटेंसेस जिसमें है सिंपल, कंपाउंड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स। अब ये जो आपकी एक्सरसाइज है इसमें बताया गया है कि आपको बताना है कौन से सेंटेंसेस कंपाउंड है और कौन से कॉम्प्लेक्स। अगर आपका सेंटेंस कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है तो आपको जो है कोऑर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज जो है जिससे वो मिलके बना है उसको जो है सेपरेट करना है और कौन सा कंजंक्शन है जो इन क्लॉजेस को जोड़ रहा है उसके बारे में बताना है। बाई चांस अगर आपका सेंटेंस कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो आपको उसको डिवाइड करना है क्लॉजेस में और बताना है कौन सा प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज है, कौन सा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है। तो पहली जो आपका सेंटेंस है वो दिया है द हॉर्स रियर्ड एंड द राइडर वॉज थ्रोन। तो ये सेंटेंस आपका कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है। द हॉर्स रियर्ड द राइडर वॉज थ्रोन। अब इसमें जो कनेक्टिंग क्लॉज है या जो कंजंक्शन है कनेक्टिंग वो है एंड। नेक्स्ट है वॉक क्विकली एल्स यू विल नॉट ओवरटेक हिम। अगेन ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंस है और ये कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है, वॉक क्विकली यू विल नॉट ओवरटेक हिम, कंजंक्शन एल्स। The town in which I live is very large. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस है। The town is very large. ये आपका मेन क्लॉज है। In which I live ये एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है। I called him, but he gave me no answer. Compound sentence. I called him. He gave me no answer. Fifth है, I agree to your proposals, for I think them reasonable. Compound sentence. I agree to your proposals. I think them reasonable. 4. I went because I was invited. Complex sentence. I went, main clause. Because I was invited, adverb clause. Either he is drowned or some passing ship has saved him. Compound sentence. He is drowned. Some passing ship has saved him. Either or. I returned home because I was tired. Complex sentence. I returned home, main clause. Because I was tired, adverb clause. They always talk who never think. Complex sentence. They always talk, main clause. Who never think, adjective clause. He came oftener than we expected. Complex sentence. He came oftener, main clause. Than we expected, adjective clause. He blushes, therefore he is guilty. Compound sentence. He blushes. He is guilty. Therefore, a guest is unwelcome when he stays too long. Complex sentence. A guest is unwelcome. Main clause. When he stays too long. Adverb clause. Whatever you do, do well. Complex sentence. Do well. Main clause. Whatever you do. Not clause. He must have done his duty, for he is a conscientious man. Compound sentence. He must have done his duty. He is a conscientious man. Or he rushed into the field and foremost fighting fell. Compound sentence. He rushed into the field, foremost fighting fell, and man proposes, but God disposes. Compound sentence. Man proposes, God disposes, but where ignorance is bliss, it is folly to be wise. It's folly to be wise. Main clause. Where ignorance is bliss, adverb clause. Listen carefully and take notes. Compound sentence. Listen carefully, take notes, and the heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork. Compound sentence. The heavens declare the glory of God. The firmament showeth his handiwork. And he tried hard, but he did not succeed. Compound sentence. He tried hard, he did not succeed, but she must weep or she will die. Compound sentence. She must weep, she will die. Or they serve God well who serve his creatures. Complex sentence. They serve God well. Main clause. Who serve his creatures. Adjective clause. Man is guided by reason and beast by instinct. Compound sentence. Man is guided by reason, beast by instinct, and quarrels would not last long if the fault were only on one side. Complex sentence. Quarrels would not last long. Main clause. If the fault were only on one side, adverb clause. God made the country and man made the town. Compound sentence. God made the country, man made the town, and he trudged on, though he was very tired. Complex sentence. He trudged on, main clause, though he was very tired. Adverb clause. There was one philosopher who chose to live in a tub. Complex sentence. There was one philosopher, main clause, who chose to live in a tub. Adjective clause. The Commons passed the bill, but the Lords threw it out. Compound sentence. The Commons passed the bill. The Lords threw it out. But tell me the news as you have heard. Complex sentence. Tell me the news. Main clause. As you have heard. Adverb clause. He that has most time has none to lose. Complex sentence. He has none to lose. Main clause. That has most time. Adjective clause. Your arguments are weighty, still they do not convince me. Compound sentence. Your arguments are weighty, they do not convince me. Still, everything comes if a man will only work and wait. Complex sentence. Everything comes. Main clause. If a man will only work and wait. Adverb clause. The same day went Jesus out of the horse and sat by the seaside. Compound sentence. The same day went Jesus out of the house, sat by the seaside, and you must eat to live, but we should not live to eat. Compound sentence. We must eat to live. We should not live to eat. But govern your passions or they will govern you. Compound sentence. Govern your passions, they will govern you. Or they fought the dogs and killed the cats and bit the babies in the cradles and ate the cheese out of the vats and licked the soup from the cook's own ladles. Compound sentence. They fought the dogs, killed the cats, bit the babies in the cradles, ate the cheese out of the vats, licked the soup from the cook's own hand. And my heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. Complex sentence. My heart leaps up. Main clause. When I behold a rainbow in the sky. Adverb clause. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 37। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए। ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।